Cannabis is now legal for adults in 18 states. In 36 states, medical use cannabis is legal in some form. As restrictions ease, workplace drug testing is changing on a fundamental level. A recent report from Quest Diagnostics found that the manufacturing and logistics industries have seen steady increases in drug positivity rates every year since 2017. In transportation and warehousing, positivity for marijuana has more than doubled over the last 5 years. Every industry tracked by Quest saw an increase in positive cannabis tests, despite, according to NORML, about 1 in 10 employers dropping drug tests to try and attract new workers. According to Nina French, president of Employer and Law Enforcement Solutions at Hounds Labs, drug testing in the workplace is all about deterrence. Testing throughout employment is about risk mitigation, and it was a key tool in deterring cannabis use at work. But now, employers have to balance safety at work with legal cannabis use. THC is detectable in oral tests for 24 to 48 hours, and in urine for up to 67 days. Recreational use will only increase with further legalization, and the best answer seems to be the weed breathalyzer. Back in 2019, Hounds Labs completed clinical trials of what has been called the, quote, world's first marijuana breathalyzer. And now, the Hound is preparing to enter the market. According to French, employers could use the breathalyzer in several ways. For example, test every hired employee. Hopefully, they're not high for the interview or day one. Test 100% of safety-sensitive employees over a year, or test 40% of non-safety sensitive employees. The Hound has been under development since 2014, and the company holds 14 patents, with 20 or so still pending. Since THC only lasts in breath for several hours, you're likely good for your 7 a.m. shift if you stopped at midnight. The Hound uses single-use cartridges and provides a result in 20 minutes. A handheld device collects the sample, which is then plugged into a base station for analysis. Hounds Labs is planning a soft launch in Q3 2022 and will be in the market by 2023 with an already long wait list. Supply chain problems have given Hounds Labs difficulty in ramping up production. The device is currently manufactured in the US, but the company is looking at all options to speed time to market. According to French, the Hound can help every kind of employer, large and small, preserve talent. Employees want to consume cannabis and know that they won't be penalized, said French. No one wants to be fired for something they did off the clock.
I'm David Manti. Welcome to Cannabis Equipment News.